Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you love to shop Luxe, welcome. Every week I upload 2 new videos on designer handbags, shoes, and accessories to help you decide whether or not you want that item to be a part of your collection. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. Also, we can be friends on Instagram at Shop Luxe, which I will link down below. So today we are going to do an unboxing of this Chanel piece. This is actually from my sister, and she recently just gave it to me. I've been begging her since 2017 when we went to Las Vegas, and she got this from Chanel in Bellagio, and I really love this piece. But back then I wasn't able to buy it. I got the Louis Vuitton key clay pouch. So I was telling her, if you're not really using it, then just give it to me. So I'm very lucky that she gave it to me just recently, and let's do an unboxing on this one. Okay, so let's get right into it. If you love to shop Luxe like me, this is going to be a great addition to your collection. Back in January 2017, it used to retail $400 plus tax, but due to price increase over the years, it's now being sold as $425 plus tax. So the price increase is not really as bad, considering that this SLG is very luxurious. It comes with care cards, still has a tag on it, and a dust bag. It is the Chanel Classic card holder in black caviar leather and gold hardware. The caviar leather feels luxurious. It's soft and has the classic quilting. I love that it looks simple yet elegant. It is durable and practical, perfect for your smaller bags and to alternate with your other wallets. When I buy from Chanel, I would always go for caviar leather because it is carefree. It doesn't really scratch that easily. And since the double CC on this card holder is so small, you won't really have that much problems of it having a lot of scratches. The card holder measures 2.9 inches in height, 4.4 inches in length, and the depth is 0.02 inches. It has one card slot in the front, which is lined with cloth. And there are 2 card slots in the back, which are also lined with cloth. And at the top, there's one compartment, and this is the authenticity card. So Series 22 means it was made in 2016. The leather lining is in burgundy color, and there's money. Is this for me? Let me call her, but because usually in our culture we put money in the wallet even if we're not using it to bring good luck. So I don't know. I wish it's for me. It has a Chanel and double CC logo printing on it. And on the other side, it says Made in Italy. I see a gold marking and it's not coming off. It doesn't look like a scratch though. But that's fine. It's inside the wallet anyway. Maybe she didn't inspect this before she left Chanel. So I don't really have a lot of cards to bring with me, but the slots are spacious enough to double or put more cards in. This hasn't stretched a lot since my sister very seldom uses it. It's durable, but with constant use, it will stretch like any other leather over time. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye!